important. This question we receive 1,000 times through WhatsApp, through email, through calls, through LinkedIn, through emails. There are mainly two routes to become CSP. Remember, CSP is our final destination. Regardless, you are qualifying for ASP, but CSP your final stage. So there are probably two routes. One route is you don't have any level 6 qualification. You should do ASP first, then CSP. ASP, once you pass next month, you can achieve CSP as well. But you have to appear in two exams then, ASP exam, then CSP. But if you have some kind of level 6 qualifications that are endorsed by BCSP, this is very important question. There are 100 type of level 6 qualification, level 7 qualification available in market. Remember, all and each qualification is not accepted by BCSP. So I will show you a list of endorsed qualifications in my next slides. So if you have level 6 that is accepted by BCSP, what you can do, you can either achieve TSP or either GSP. So then you will have ASP exemption. You can directly apply for CSP, right? But regardless if you are TSP, this is also very important question. Some people, they have level 6, then they apply TSP, they got, but they don't have bachelor's degree. So what they can do? They can apply for CSP? No, they cannot. You need to apply CSP, you should have bachelor's degree, right? This TSP, GSP will only give you exemption from ASP, right? So now basically to apply either ASP or CSP, you have 4 requirements: education, as I said, minimum bachelor's degree, experience, ASP 1 year, CSP 4 year minimum, and then you need to pass exams and you should comply with the ethics required by BCSP. So these are mainly 3 requirements: education, experience, and exam. Now question here, how to apply. Visit BCSP website, official website. You don't have to pay anyone for application. It is piece of cake, easy. Pick your certificate. How to pick? Check the qualification first. You are applying for ASP or CSP or TSP or GSP. Then submit your application, pay the fees like ASP $160, CSP $160, TSP almost $25-30. Then once you are ready, prepared, you can apply for exams, sit for your exam, and then annually maintain your certificate. Right. Once you join my workshop, if you have any challenges in your application, I will definitely help you free of cost. Now I think you can ask questions if you have, gentlemen. Feel free to open your microphone. And if you have any question regarding ASP, today only ASP CSP, not CIT, not CRST, CSP, SMS, because today only 2 we have selected. So any question, gentlemen?
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have a diploma in mechanical engineering. So
3
can
years.
I attend for 3 years? Can
No.
I go for CSP?
Not even ASP.
So is there any way to complete?
Yes, you should get graduation degree first, then only you can apply. Remember, even if you are CMIO, don't waste your time. You cannot apply ASP, CSP. You should have bachelor's degree minimum.
You mentioned this bachelor degree is a mandatory. My question is, the distance learning bachelor degree is also acceptable? Or
any bachelors that have official transcripts in any discipline is acceptable. Even MA from Pakistan, MA from Open University is acceptable.
No.
There was a question in chat books. I have BA 2 year and 2 year MA. Can I qualify? Yes, you qualify one requirement, that is academic degree. Once you apply, do not upload bachelor, upload your master's degree there.
Sir, I would like to ask a question pertaining to the workshop which we are going to have. So is it going to be a combined workshop for ASP or CSP, and or shall we have to attend?
Believe me, 80 to 90% data for ASP CSP is same. So it will clearly identify what are the differences there, but it will be combined. The workshop.
How long the workshop be taking, and what will be the class schedule?
See, I have only 8 minutes remaining. So quickly about workshop. about
Yeah.
workshop. Workshop is 15 days total, right? And it will be daily, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be off, and Eid will be there. 4 days Eid will be off. So it will take approximately 3 days to complete. Okay, sir. If you
Okay.
lose connection, I said you can join same link again. Okay, sir. So workshop is 15 days daily, 8 p.m. UAE time, evening. 1,000 dirham is fee only. And for those people who do not have money, but they are eligible, willing to enroll, free of cost. I mean, they should be deserving. I will not ask them any other question because I don't run this session for money. I run for these sessions because I want to extinguish my steam to learn as well. I have, alhamdulillah, very good and reputed job. But as I said, fee for full session, full workshop, 15 days, only 1,000 AD. And number two, free unlimited repeat. For example, every alternative month I have session, so you can repeat for free. A recorded session will be provided. Course content will be shared. You don't have to buy anything extra. So that is part of workshop.
So is that discount still available, which you posted on the LinkedIn, or that is expired already?
That is my not a discount. That is another P2Safety. That is my institute, and that is not this workshop. That you have recorded sessions there. There is PDF notes. There are quizzes. That is very comprehensive. Those people who cannot attend daily, usually they prefer to self-learning, something like that. Okay, sir. That you have 1 year access on that one. There are mock-up assessment and regularly
I have a
updating.
question.
Yes,
and
sir.
how much is that? How much is that?
Different
please?
prices. That one you can check, I think, on P2Safety website.
Got it, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sir, I have a small question.
Yes, please.
Regarding the registration, sir.
Mhm.
Registration in PCSP website. I need to upload my certificates.
Yes.
After that, I need to pay, or before that, I need to pay?
Until you will not pay, they will not review your application.
Yeah, if I didn't pay, they were not going to review my application.
No, so you can apply all without paying. It will be still there. So they will not review unless you pay. So
noted, sir. Thank you very much.
So first they will ask you to qualified credential. You need to upload. Then they will ask you academic qualification. So upload there. And if they want to see another question, do I need to verify my degree? No, you don't have to. This is not immigration. They will do by themselves. You just need to upload, scan, copy with all transcript in one file, color copy not more than 5 MB. Upload there, wait for their response. 5% application they select for audits. And once you are in audit, definitely they will ask you to verify either your experience. So they will send you one form. You need to get signature from your supervisor. That is simple and straightforward. Any other questions, gentlemen? We will answer. We still have 5 minutes before this meeting time expire. Then click on same link and join our first official session of today discussion. Any question regarding ASP CSP?
I got a question.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, so my question is this: I got master degree. So do I need to upload my bachelor degree too, like when I'm applying in their system?
What you are applying?
Like for ASP.
Yes, you need to upload their bachelor's degree with the transcripts.
And also my master degree too, both I need
If you have master's, then upload only master's, not bachelor. Final degree you need to upload. No. If you have PhD, upload PhD, not master's or MPhil, nothing more than last degree only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So,
just one question from my side. If a person has got TSP already, so one of your books is for ASP and the other one is for CSP. So should he go for only CSP book? Will it cover everything?
Only CSP he should go. Otherwise, to increase knowledge, definitely both, but don't waste your time and money, only CSP.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Jazakallah. Any other questions? Gentlemen, don't forget to put your email address in chat box. Only email address. Yes, sir.
Sir, what can I do? Can I get TSG for this if I have only degrees or if I have only diploma in mechanical engineering?
TSP eligibility we discussed already. That is if you have any level 6 or 7. Which level 6 or 7 that they have mentioned on their website.
Yeah, I have a NIVOS diploma.
Yes, you get TSP. Then you have bachelor's degree also?
No, sir, I don't have bachelor's degree.
Master's? No, definitely no. No, you cannot apply then.
So BSP is not for me?
ASP, CSP, both are not for you.
So what can I do, sir?
Enjoy your life. Any other questions?
Sir, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, I'm Javed Akhtar. I'm a BTech in mechanical engineering, and I'm right now working in Bilfinger, sir. So I already bought your Kindle version books from Amazon.
Thank you.
So first thing is, sir, I wanted to ask, can I get PDF version of that book?
No.
And
no
sir, second thing is, sir, my current salary is very low. So can I pay in part wise?
Just get in touch with me. I said money is not an issue. If you are interested, let me know. You take my email and WhatsApp there. Get in touch after the session. Okay, sir. Any other questions? Okay, we start. We still have 2 minutes, gentlemen. I think 2 minutes we can spend on answering questions, and then I will start my official session. That will be again for 40 minutes. So please don't leave. Don't miss that one. You will love that really. ASP CSP exam preparation. Inshallah, you will love it. This is our session number 1. Tomorrow you will have a link again to join, new link, not the same today. That will be for 2 hours, approximately 2 hours daily, right? So this is my number and my email, WhatsApp also. Do not unnecessarily call. If you have any questions, send me through WhatsApp and I will try my level best to answer as soon as possible. You don't like WhatsApp, send me an email, safety.expert2058@gmail. Other than ASP, CSP, if you have any questions, how to get IOSH memberships, etc., do not send me text or email regarding immigration or visa processes. I'm not expert on that one and I will not reply, please. Right, so videos are recorded, yes, and you will get recording at the end of each session. All delegates who register for this website, definitely they will get recording course content also. As I said, I'm BCSP mentor from 2018, 19, 2021. Due to your support, thank you very much for that. More than 300 people now trained, and Alhamdulillah, I have very good success ratio. Just one quick note, last 15 days, 8 people appear in ASP CSP. Out of 8, 6 pass, 2 unfortunately fail, but at least they tried, right? My promise is, inshallah, I will give my 100% efforts and you will love that one. You will get 100% free study material. Classes will be daily. For almost 2 to 3 weeks, because we have Eid now. Eid holidays, 4 holidays will be there. Then it will be more than 15 days. Total, we will complete 15 days. That may be in 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Once the session link expire, please click on and join again, right? So mock-up assessment, unlimited repeat if you like, unless you don't pass. And there will be assistance individually if you have any special concerns, and definitely we will help.